In this WooCommerce video, we're going to take a look at the featured product setting. So starting off, we're going to be on the Beanie product that comes with the WooCommerce sample data. And next to catalog visibility, there's an edit button. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to drop down a few settings. We went through this in our last video, but now we're going to cover this is a featured product setting. So go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to click the update button to save this product. All right, and then once the product has been updated, let's go ahead and go to our shop. So this is the shop homepage, and what I'm looking for is something that says featured products. And as we scroll down the page, I'm not seeing anything. And if we zoom out, again, there's nothing on the shop homepage that says featured products. So we're going to go ahead and flag this as no. There's no change to the shop homepage. Right now, we're looking at the product page itself, and again, there's nothing on here that says featured product. So the product page, no change. Now we're on the category page, and again, I've looked, and there's nothing that talks about featured products. So we're going to flag that as no. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT for some help. And what it says is that your theme needs to support featured products, or you're going to have to use a block or widget to display featured products. It also recommends checking out the storefront theme. So let's go ahead and install that and see if there's any difference. So just go to Appearance and Themes, and we're going to search for Storefront. We found it. And when you hover over that, you know how to install the theme. Go ahead and click Install. And as it's installing, go ahead, when it's done, click Activate. And let's go ahead and visit our store. So again, the new shop homepage, while it has changed, there's nothing about featured products. So let's check a no there. The product page itself, nope. And the category page, no. So far we're having a tough time here trying to figure out what this setting does. So let's try adding a widget from the customizer. So go ahead and click on widgets, and we're going to be looking at the sidebar. Go ahead and click got it for this notice. And we want to add a new widget, so hit the plus icon, and then we're going to, on the right-hand side, go ahead and scroll down until you find the WooCommerce section. And taking a look, it looks like this is going to be the one we want, featured product. It doesn't say featured products, so that's probably the issue that I'm about to run into now. But you hit featured product, and it's going to ask for you to search for a product to display. So I'm assuming here that this is not featured products, but instead it allows you to choose one particular product and show it in the sidebar. So I'm going to not enter anything here and just click done, and then publish the changes. And then we're going to go back to the page, and nothing is listed here. So the featured product widget, it's a no-go. So the next thing we're going to try is some shortcode. So we're going to create a new page. So go to Pages, and then we're going to add a new page. It's going to be called Featured Products, and this is a shortcode I got from ChatGPT. So it's just saying, hey, give me products, limit it to 8, show them in 4 columns, and the visibility equals featured. Go ahead and click on Publish. And you have to click Publish again. And then the page has been updated. So let's go ahead and go back to our store. And so here are the featured products. This is the featured products page. And the beanie shows up. This is the one that we actually set as a featured products. There are a couple others. I'm going to assume they're featured products. Finally, I think we've got something working. So shortcode, if you want to show featured products, yeah, one way is to use a shortcode. But it doesn't look like anything happens automatically unless your theme was built that way. Well, let's try adding another product. So we're on the All Products page, and if you see the star column, if you hover over the star, it says Featured. So what we're going to do is there's the WordPress pennant right here. We're going to go ahead and click that star to set it as a featured product. And now let's go back to our Featured Products page. And as you can see, the WordPress pennant is now showing on the Featured Products page we created with shortcode. All right, I learned something new today. I hope you learned something new today. Comment if you have any questions. We can figure out things together, whatever you're having trouble with. And if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and help support our channel. Thanks, everybody.